keys still hang on a rusted nail in a house that's no longer ours. The orange trees weep by the stone-wall trail, counting 76 scarred stars. We left the door open, the bread still warm. The radio played a farewell song. They said it was a birthday. We didn't know for whom the candles burned so long. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Israel. You blew out our candles and made our worst wishes come true. Grandma braided my hair with jasmine, whispered Jaffa won't forget. Now the sea salt mixes with exile and dust on a tent that's been raining since 48 yet. We carry the names of villages like lullabies under our breath. Dear Yassin lit a Tantarah, each one a tiny death. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Israel. You threw a party for independence, and we got the eviction note as a gift from you. You lit the candles on our burned down homes, made a wish and blew the smoke through our domes. 76 years of blowing out flames, while we're still here whispering names. Happy birthday